Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2015 Nissan Murano Platinum all-wheel drive, stock number X1032A. 52,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. Color is called Pacific Sunset Metallic. Murano is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Backup camera for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Rear seats will fold with the pull of a handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And reverse with the push of a button. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Platinum has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is with bird's eye view. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror with home link transmitter for garage door opener and under the hood. This Murano has a 3.5 liter V6, 260 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Murano, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.